Very good morning to all of you children. Today we are going to learn about solstice. A solstice is the day when the midday sun shines directly at one of the tropics, that is, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. And the duration of the day is the longest in that hemisphere. There are two solstices, summer solstice and winter solstice. Summer solstice. The summer solstice is referred to as the longest day and shortest night of the year. The winter solstice is referred to as the shortest day and longest night of the year. Yes, now look at this picture, children. The northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. Yes, on 21st of June, the Tropic of Cancer is at 23.5 degree north. The Tropic of Cancer receives the direct rays of the sun. Places in the northern hemisphere experience its summer solstice. That is, places in the northern hemisphere experience longest day and shortest night. Now this occurs on 21st June. The North Pole, look at the North Pole here. The North Pole is tilted towards the sun and places beyond the Arctic Circle experience daylight for 24 hours for 6 months, children. Is that clear? Now let us come to the southern hemisphere. The southern hemisphere receives the least sunlight, okay, and experiences winter. Am I clear? On 22nd December, okay, the Tropic of Capricorn, which is at 23.5 degrees south, receives the direct rays of the sun. The southern hemisphere receives most sunlight. Here you can see that. And has its summer solstice. Is that clear? Places in the southern hemisphere experience longest day and shortest night. The South Pole is tilted towards the sun. So places beyond the Antarctic Circle have continuous daylight for 24 hours. During this period, the South Pole receives 6 months of daylight. Yeah? Now let us come to the northern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. Look at the distance here. Northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. So it receives the least sunlight and experiences its winter solstice. The places beyond the Arctic Circle have 24 hours of darkness on this day, right? Now this occurs on 22nd December. Am I clear? Summary. The spinning movement of the earth on its own axis is called rotation. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. The earth takes approximately 24 hours to complete one rotation. Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. The earth takes approximately 365 1/4 days to complete one revolution. The revolution of the earth around the sun, together with the tilt in the earth's axis, causes the changing seasons. The four main seasons are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. On 21st March and 23rd September, the sun shines directly over the equator at noon, and the length of days and nights are equal all over the world. On 21st of June, the Tropic of Cancer receives the direct rays of the sun. Places in the northern hemisphere experience longest day and shortest night. The southern hemisphere experiences winter during this period. On 22nd December, the Tropic of Capricorn receives the direct rays of the sun. Places in the southern hemisphere experience longest day and shortest night. The northern hemisphere experiences winter during this period. Thank you and have a nice day, children.